Welcome to Engineering Career Services. The goal of our office is to provide you with the opportunities to learn and develop the necessary skills to engage in your professional development, prepare you for co-op experiential learning activities while completing your degree, and employment post-graduation. Engineering Career Services is comprised of a 5-member unit. We have 2 student specialists, 2 employer relationship specialists, and an administrative assistant to ensure Career Services is providing the resources, tools, opportunity, and support for students, alumni, the faculty, university, and the external community. We wanted to take a moment to highlight our new with co-op designation. There is no maximum number of students who can participate in this program, and upon graduation, this designation provides a mechanism for you to highlight your continuous application of engineering skills in a formalized co-op program throughout your undergraduate degree. 2 co-op program options are available to you throughout your undergraduate degree. It is possible to complete multiple summer co-ops, a long-term co-op, or a combination of both throughout your degree. Benefits of participating in both programs include: develop a professional network with employers and engineers in your field, gain hands-on experience related to your academic program, build marketable skills employers are looking for in new recruits, clarify your career goals and objectives, earn a salary to help offset the cost of tuition. Check out the website to learn more and how to submit your application to participate in each. Students must submit their application yearly to participate in the summer co-op program, and only in the fall of their second last year of their engineering undergraduate degree program for the long-term co-op program. We encourage students to submit their application early in the fall term. The application portal will open at the start of this term. Only students with an approved co-op application on file that academic year are able to view the exclusive co-op job board for the program they are approved for. For example, approved for summer co-op can only view summer co-op jobs on the job board. Please note, you can participate in the summer co-op program between your first and second year of your engineering degree program. First year applications are reviewed in early January once your fall term marks are visible on your academic record, as this is one of the eligibility requirements. It is a 2-part co-op application process. You must pay the annual $100 application fee and submit the application form on Western Connect. Please take note of the valuable resources listed on this slide. Yearly, we host multiple career planning sessions, employer information sessions, and networking events. We encourage you to participate in as many events as possible within engineering and the Western community. All are designed to help you prepare for your career, connect with companies of interest, and start those meaningful conversations with organization representatives. Please connect with our office via the email listed on this slide to book an appointment to discuss career-related questions, to review your resume, cover letter documents prior to applying to a position, to prepare for an interview, to discuss job search strategies, just to name a few. We look forward to hearing from you. Thank you.
When I was 16, I started my own company called Circle. We built a mobile app to let users buy and sell items locally, which launched on both iOS and Android. This experience taught me a lot about how to develop software effectively, and I continued to work on mobile software projects throughout my first few years of engineering. From validating a problem to creating solutions, I was able to develop a process that I continued to utilize during my co-op as a product manager intern. Additionally, I was able to utilize some of my knowledge from software engineering courses such as database management systems, web technologies, and HCI. Software engineering deeply emphasizes software development methodologies such as Agile and Waterfall. At IBM, I utilize the Agile software development methodology by constantly iterating on solutions with a team of software developers and UX designers. Additionally, I frequently was involved in the requirements elicitation stage for the projects that I was contributing to, where I worked with UX designers and researchers to come up with functional and non-functional requirements for the features that I was involved in. Definitely the ability to work on software projects that made real impact in my division at IBM. Throughout my co-op, I was given the responsibilities of a full-time product manager and had complete ownership of my work. This allowed me to solve real client issues and gave me the opportunity to contribute to new features of our product. I plan to continue pursuing a career as a product manager in the software industry. Throughout my co-op experience, I loved combining my knowledge of software engineering with business and design to create experiences that users loved.
Hi, my name is Alana Maroney. I'm in my fourth year and I'm studying civil engineering with international development and structural engineering, more specifically. I participated in the summer co-op program, and in that program, I was working for the Greater Toronto Airport Authority as their civil engineering co-op student. I was working in Mississauga at the airport, and I was on site as well as in the office. I also participated in a long-term co-op program, and that was with Ellis Dawn, and I worked with them for 8 months in their office in Mississauga as a civil engineering junior proposal coordinator. So I believe that being a part of teams at Western, more specifically different clubs, helped me build my skills before entering the workforce. And more specifically, I was involved with Women in Engineering and the Western Society for Civil Engineering. So that helped me build my oral communication skills as well as my time management skills. And being able to work in a team setting really helped me move from working with students to working now in a professional industry. Being able to work with a company for a longer term, you're put into a position where you have greater responsibility because they know and are familiar with your work ethic. If you prove yourself to be a great person to work with, they'll put more responsibility on you. And I think that was probably the greatest experience of being able to work on projects as well as see them through, and then later being able to lead projects and being responsible for your work and not really having as much attention or help from your employer or your manager because they're comfortable and confident with the ability that you can take your work and see it through. My both of the co-op positions that I was in definitely impacted my career plans. I never saw myself pursuing a career in transportation, but that quickly changed when I worked at the airport. It definitely showed me a different side of the transportation sector and being able to have an impact and see how much an airport can offer a community as well as a city. I definitely wanted to be a part of that and help with the design as well as the future of that industry. As well, I always saw myself pursuing a career in project management and being able to work with Alice Dawn in the position that I was in. It really exposed me to the project management world and opened me to the different opportunities available downtown Toronto. And I think that really helped me almost secure and envision my future for the next 5 years and which way I want to take my engineering degree.